I just finished putting together the Santa and his sleigh set. It only comes with 4 reindeer. So, my wife got me the pieces parts to do the rest. So I finished putting this together. This is what comes with this set. You get 4 reindeer, Santa, the sleigh, and a sleigh full of toys and presents. And there's the back. And this actually opens up. Uh-oh. And that's a drawer, and then you got more stuff to put in there. It's a fun little set. Now, my wife did get me the rest of the reindeer to finish them out, but we need to get some more pieces to hook them all up, which I will do. I gotta sit down and figure out everything we need. But what a fun set. I'm not gonna do too crazy of a review on it and pictures and all that. I put pictures of the box. It was a fun little set for Christmas. I'd recommend it. And he's holding his little naughty list. What a fun set. It's worth picking up. I'm sure the kids get a kick out of it. Take it easy.